Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar surges on Wednesday and hits its 66-cent target with no profit taking and keeping this strong bias to a bullish case. Looking at the DEC, a strong trend there, along with the MACD and RSI, but the RSI is in overbought zone, so still be on your guard in case we get a little bit of profit taking just above that 66 figure 10 mark and possibly see a slight pullback. But overall, all eyes will be on this week's US core PCE, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, and the final major input before the Fed's rate decision on 09/10. It is expected that the Fed will cut 25 base points, and let's see how the market unfolds from there as the US dollar remains weak. If we do see a break of 66.10, that could see stops go off towards 66.65, but as I mentioned, be on your guard in case we do see profit taking. The euro also firmer overnight and nearly claims the 117 region. Overall, though, with the dollar weakening and also a trend supporting the bullish case, 117.15.25 still remains on the cards and reassess. We could play when it comes to dollar yen, and I'm still looking for that break of 154.80. That could see a drop towards 154 or lower. The bears are weighing on the market, as well as a bull trap could be now in place since breaking beneath this once resistance, now support, and was recently the rising wedge pattern. Overall, I'm bearish for dollar yen. Sterling, well, what a magnificent rally that was with a Marubozu candle there, claims a 133 target, and now looks towards 133.70 to 134 as a potential target. The technicals aren't as strong as the Australian dollar, but overall I still expect to see further gains with any pullback limited, but still be on your guard in case a little bit of profit taking does emerge. Gold, well, still remaining heavy and still likely to see further gains on towards 4,222 to 24 to 4,236 to 4,250. I like the way this trend's holding, even though we are seeing a bit of a pullback here, but could be opportunity for bargain hunters and see the rally on to eventually maybe even scoring a high around 4,500 into next year. Finishing up with oil, the market again rejects that trend line, which is seen around 59.60.70. Overall, a break here should give further scope to the upside to 62 to even possibly $63 a barrel. With any weakness, likely to be an opportunity for the market to run back in to find demand returning around 57.85. But overall, let's see if we can get that break. That's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look at the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.